This is a tutorial on how to request items from Interlibrary Loan via the OneSearch interface. You can use Interlibrary Loan to request items such as books, articles, print or electronic copies, and dissertations from libraries worldwide. Now let's go to OneSearch, and from there we will search the database Academic Search Complete. Go ahead and click Articles and Databases. This is the Articles and Database page. Scroll down and find Academic Search Complete. Click that. Now we're in Academic Search Complete. Here we will search Alice in Wonderland. Varying results will appear, but we need to find one with a yellow and blue button marked Find It. Here's one, Through the Looking Glass, Alice and Child Studies Multiple. After clicking this button, you will be taken to a page that gives you the option to click on Request through Interlibrary Loan. Let's make sure we're signed in. Here we go. Here's the Request This through Interlibrary Loan link. Go ahead and click it. This will lead you to log into your ILL account. If you don't already have one, follow the prompt and create one. It looks like our form is populated. Now we just have to hit the Submit Request button at the bottom of the page. And that's it.